So this tutorial, in our last class, I said I'm going to show you how you will be able to answer any questions on Quora using a simple AI tool. So the AI tool I'm going to use is called simplify.ai. Let me go there so that you see it. So this is the interface of the Simplify. Okay, I've been using that. And as you can see, I just used to generate one or two things from my videos. So let's head back to our Quora account and see how we can actually do that. I'm going to show you technically how to do that. Okay, so here is my Quora account. As I told you, I'm going to show you something now. As of last, I think I was able to show you that I had about 6 point something view, but as of today, I'm having 7.1k view. Okay, so now here is some of the questions I've provided answers to. So without delaying, let me just go straight to how you can actually answer questions. Okay, so now assuming I want to answer a question on, let me go back to the home. Assuming I want to answer a question on marketing, maybe my niche is marketing, okay? Or maybe, fine, let me just say maybe my niche is marketing and I want to answer questions on marketing so that I could easily get traffic to my blog. What I will have to do is to come here, this search, I'll type marketing and type click. So these are questions on marketing. The next thing I'll do is to click on this question here. And boom, we are there. You see what exactly is digital marketing. Now let's filter by past hours. We click and see. Fine. So we have this. How much should a Bitgate token be in order to reach Canadian market cap? This is not my area of specialization, okay? But I can still give answer to this because I have my AI tool handy. So let me just provide answer to it and see. I'll click on this. If you notice, no one has actually given answer to this question. So I'm going to answer this question in order for me to rank high, okay? In order for me to rank high. So I'm going to copy this particular question, then head over to my AI. Okay, so I'm going to, let me delete these things here so that I can see a clear board, a clear interface. So I will just paste this. Let me go back to home so that you understand the interface from the beginning. So once you log into this Simplify AI, you will see sections, okay? You will see sections, go straight to block section completer. One of the things, I actually love this AI too, but one of the things is that if you don't actually understand how it works, you will not be able to use it effectively. But I'm going to put you guys through so that I'll be able to understand it. It has a free version. It has a paid version. Okay. So once you just come to the AI, okay, let me take you back to the dashboard first so that you see how the interface look. Now this is the AI. Here we have AI writer, we have design template, video template, content writer. But this is what I want. Okay, so I'll click on AI 2 here. Under AI 2, I have short form assistant, long form writer, and AI designer. So I'll head on straight to short form assistance and click on explore. Already, if you look at this interface, I have actually utilized it before, and that is why you are seeing those things. But in your case, if you've not used it, and this is the first time you're going to use it, it will give you a very simple interface. So once you get there, go straight to this option here, block section completer. Let's click on that. Fine. So we are here. So remember we copied the question from our Quora. Actually, I don't actually know the answers to this question, okay? But I'm going to use this AI to provide answer to that. So I'll click, I'll copy and paste it here. Paste my question here. So this is the question I copied from Quora, okay? So I'll click on generate. So it's generating the answer to the question. So if you look at the question said, how much should a BitGrade token be in order to what? Reach Canadian. So here is the answer to it. The market cap of Canadian is this. To reach this market cap, the BitGrade token would need to be valued at $0.11 per token. Alright, I've got an answer to this question. But assuming I'm not comfortable, I'm not cool with this answer to this question, I can still generate more. Let's see. So it's going to generate more for me. Are you seeing it? So now I can read through and see the one that best fits the question. So there is no one definite answer to this question. The market cap of a cryptocurrency is determined by a variety of factors, including the circulating supply and demand for the token. In order to achieve the Canadian capital market cap, BitGrade token would likely need to be valued at significantly higher price than it is currently. Now, I'll have to go down again. Look at this. There is no perfect answer to this question. It depends on a number of factors, including the total number of tokens in circulation, the price of each token, and the market cap of Canadian. Generally speaking, if BitGrade can achieve a market cap that is close to Canadian's, then the token should be worth approximately approximately $0.50. So I think I'm cool with this explanation. So I'll click on that and copy, then head straight to this and click on answer. So click on that and I'll paste this answer here. So I think copy it very well. Let me go back and copy that. Let me go back and copy that. Click on that and it's copied. Go back. I'm going to click this. Here we go. So I've already answered to this. Okay, so I'll click on post. That's been answered. So I've successfully answered that question. Irrespective, I do not know the answer to that particular question. But with the use of the AI tech, I was able to give at least a good answer to that question. Okay, let's see one more example. I'm going to type, let's say XCU. Let me see XCU. Let me do something on XCU. So I'll filter by question. Okay, filter again by past hour question. Then, so if you look at this, this is the latest question we have. So I think, let me answer this. What are the best SEO plugin for a WordPress blog site? Then I'll click on this. If you look at it, no answer. Okay, I think someone has actually answered this. Okay, no, nobody. So what are the best SEO plugin for WordPress blog site? So there's no answer. The question was submitted by this person. Okay, so let's click on answer and see if we can answer that. Then copy again this particular question. Head on straight to simplify.ai. Click here and delete the formal. Then click and paste that. Click on generate. So let's see how this AI is going to answer this particular question. Fine. So questions and answers are coming up. So we have this. There are a number of excellent SEO plugins for WordPress blogs. One of the most popular is the Yoast SEO plugin. This plugin helps you to optimize your blog post for the search engines and gives you a score for each post so that you can see how well you have done. Other popular SEO plugins include the all-in-one SEO pack and the SEO by Yoast plugin. Both of these plugins are very comprehensive and they can help you to improve your blog search engine ranking. Okay, let's go down again and see if we can still get something better than these. There are a lot of SEO plugins available for WordPress blogs. However, not all of them are effective. The following are the 3 of the best SEO plugin for WordPress site. Yoast plugin, all in one. Okay, let's see if we can generate another one. Let's see if we can actually generate another. Great. So we have more answers to that question. Okay. So we have this. When it comes to SEO, most WordPress users think of the Yoast SEO plugin. And while Yoast is a great plugin, there are others that can do just as good a job or even better. In this article, we will take a look at some of the best SEO plugins for WordPress and how they can help you improve your website search engine ranks. The first plugin we will look at is the all-in-one SEO pack. This is another very good SEO plugin. I think I've actually used it and I can give you at least 8% tracks on that. So if you have the means, you can actually go for that as well. So I said this plugin is one of the most popular SEO plugins for WordPress with over 30 million downloads. Okay, so let's go down a little. You'll see another answer to the question. There are a lot of SEO plugins. Okay, so if you look at this, you see that you can easily actually use this SEO, this AI tool to answer any kind of question on the platform. Okay, so, but I'm going to copy this. I think I'm okay with this. First, we go with this. We'll copy, then head on straight to that post. Already I've clicked answer, telling them I want to answer the question. I'll paste. Here we go. Click on submit. So you see, so the space which I submitted this question is going to take 14 days for them to review and accept it. So by so doing, I give value to people, okay? I give value to people. And once they see I'm giving value, definitely they will come to my blog. Whenever I post links, they will be directed to my blog for them to get the processes of what it entails or what that particular post tells about. So this is a very simple way you can actually give answers to any kind of question. Be it you're an expert in that field or you're not an expert in that field. Okay. So if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. This is going to encourage me to bring more videos to you and it also helped me to grow as well. Thank you. And I really appreciate you staying by, giving out your time to watch this. Please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video.